You boys representing one time, 17 Stoop. What it is, Mario, nigga? Real nigga to real nigga. Pray for a nigga in these streets, you hear me? Let's get it, homie. Yeah.
I risk my life on a lot of nights. Gun money and I motivate. Pray for me when I roll astray. Pray for me like a rosary. Life is like a gamble, so we roll a dice. Gun money and I motivate. Pray for me when I roll astray. Pray for me like a rosary.
Pray for a nigga, bow your heads, amen. See, I love my dog. For them, I sin. I walk a hard line. It's hard, but it's thin. I carry my cross. I walk like him. A life took advantage. Life I ain't managed. Shit I should've seen. I played with, mishandled. But he don't give you nothing. He know he can't handle. And this light of mine don't blow my candle. The ghetto wide open and swallow your whole. Leave your body cold and body your soul. But out of the cold, the body arose. The center for rose through the shittiest flows. No pity for those who pity for those. Can't see they gold right beneath they toes. And beneath they toes, a city of gold. Walk light and just pray to the rose. For me, amen.
I risk my life on a lot of nights. Gun money and I motivate. Pray for me when I roll astray. Pray for me like a rosary. Life is like a gamble, so we roll a dice. Gun money and I motivate. Pray for me when I roll astray. Pray for me like a rosary.
Look, I don't ask for too much. All I ask is that you pray for me. Eye on a sparrow, hoping that he make a way for me. Niggas truck, so everywhere I go, I got the K with me. Don't have to, cause I know some niggas that'll spray for me. Got love in me, believe me, I let it show. But niggas ain't built the same way. And this, I know, every day I see dirt, so I know what they expect. Fuck the fake chains, I play the wood rolls around my neck. Cross posted on my chest. Ain't gotta ask why mama worried about me, cause they wanna see her son die. But why? Lord, I wish I never see my mama cry. And for that there alone, I keep it tucked on my side. I know you probably think I'm lying, believe at your own risk. Hard to chill when niggas wanna see me with my dome split. Eyes closed, head down, then I make my palms thick. Trying to live life right, X out all the wrong shit, nigga. It's real, nigga, believe that.
I risk my life